In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks from Chase online. To get started, head over to the official Chase website. Once you're there, you'll be looking for the section related to checkbook orders. This is the easiest place to begin if you want to order new checks for a Chase account without visiting a branch in person. On the check order page, Chase provides a few helpful details you should read before moving forward. For personal accounts, you'll need to sign in so you can choose your check design and complete the order securely. During the ordering process, you may also have the option to change the address that appears on the checks themselves. That's useful if you want the printed information on the checks to look different. However, it's important to understand that changing the printed address on your checks is not the same as updating your mailing address in Chase's system. If your account mailing address needs to be updated, Chase directs you to use its official address update page to keep your information current. That distinction matters, especially if you want future bank communications to go to the right place. Another helpful thing Chase mentions is that you'll be able to review the cost of the checks, along with any discounts that may be available before you actually submit the order. So take a moment to look over the pricing carefully before finalizing anything. And if you'd rather handle it face to face, personal checks can also be ordered at any Chase branch. If you're ordering checks for a business account instead of a personal one, the process is a little different. In that case, go to the business check order page, sign in, and place the order for your business account there. Just like with personal checks, Chase also notes that business checks can be ordered in person at any branch if that's more convenient for you. Chase also highlights that there are more secure and convenient alternatives to using paper checks. One option is Chase Online Bill Pay, which lets you pay bills through the Chase mobile app or directly on the Chase website. Another option is Zelle, which allows you to send and receive money with people and businesses you know and trust, even if they use a different bank. So if you specifically need physical checks, ordering them online through Chase is a straightforward process. Just go to the website, review the information for your account type, sign in, choose your options, and check the price before submitting your order. If online ordering doesn't fit your needs, you can always visit a Chase branch for help.